So, Lone Rider here with the Hanwei Tinker longsword, and I sharpened this from about here down. Um, I tried just using a stone. It was really a lot to reprofile the edge, and then I was able to borrow a little handheld belt grinder, and that actually turned out okay. It was a nice compromise. People have talked about using tabletop ones, but the problem is you have to worry about heating up the blade and ruining the temper. This was so small that it never really increased the temperature of the blade any measurable amount. I mean, you could touch it, it wasn't even warm. So, in conjunction with that, sandpaper and sharpening stone, I finally got an edge on this, which I think is halfway decent. So, let's give it a try. See if I can stand so you can see the target there. Not bad, eh? Try one more, because why not? This is fun. Use the other edge. Yeah, edge alignment is still important. What can I say? That's there you go.